everyone. It's 16th of December. It's pretty rainy today. We're heading to Panepistimiou. You can get very good prices for a SIM card in the center right here. I would avoid buying a SIM card in the airport. You can get better packages just in Syntagma Square. There's a variety of different carriers like Vodafone, Cosmote, and Nova. If you want to go outside of Athens, I would recommend you buying a Cosmote. Has better cell coverage. If you're just staying in Athens, Vodafone is also good. It's a little bit cheaper, but the cell service is not as good as Cosmote. Lots of tourists for winter, which is good. Those are the expensive cafeterias over here. I only have been once here. Those are the clean center spots. So if you head to Ammonia Square, that's not gonna be that clean as it's here. This is more expensive stores, Prada, Dior, Louis Vuitton. Yeah. Four or 5 blocks away is going to be very different. Go this way. A lot of people say that Greeks don't have enough money, but the cafeterias are full on Saturdays and Sundays, so they will not skip their coffee. Sitting with friends over coffee is very important in Greece. It's a lifestyle. You don't see that in other countries. I think the most coffee shops in Europe are in Finland or Denmark and Greece. I think Denmark and Greece. They have the most coffee shops in Europe. It started raining now. It started raining now, but I have been to Canada, and after being in Canada, nothing stops me. Maybe snow will. It has been a very weird winter. This is maybe our second or third rain for this winter. And the 16th of December. It's not usual. Greece also has lots of pharmacies. It used to be a little bit different. Today they all close at 9, but it used to be open like 24/7 sometimes. You need to go to a website today and check which pharmacy is open at night, which can be helpful at some point, sometimes. This is the Bank of Greece, not the national. It's called the Bank of Greece. Τράπεζα της Ελλάδας is the main bank. This is a very beautiful building. Let's see, what is it? Okay, I guess it's Protestants. Yeah, or Catholics. So in a couple of blocks, everything is going to change. I would not go deeper because I'm using my phone on a selfie stick, which can be a problem. This is a nice building as well. Used to be kind of medical center for something, for eyes, I guess. Eye doctors used to be there. So I'm using a stick, a selfie stick with my phone, which I don't consider as safe to go to those areas. I only need to buy some of those GoPro cameras or DJI cameras, which is basically not that colorful to the eye. Can we get here? Yes, we can. It's open. Sorry. This is very beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, this is the place when you finish university, the Pedestrian University of Athens, you receive your diploma here. It is either this building or the next building. I think it's the next building. This one. Yeah, I think this is the one. Okay, I cannot go outside, but since I'm tall, I can figure out the way. Up. All right. So they covered it too because we have a lot of homeless people that use some they do some shady stuff here at night, so they decided to cover this so they don't destroy the building. So beautiful. I think this is the place where you receive your diploma when you finish university. National University, Pedestrian University of Athens. Not sure if I can get in. I will try. It's very beautiful and unique. Καλησπέρα. Μπορούμε να μπούμε μέσα ή είναι κλειστά?
Δεν είναι επισκέψιμος ο χώρος, εδώ είναι τα αφεντήξη του Πανεπιστημίου.
Α, εδώ είναι. Εδώ παίρνω το διπλώμα, σωστά.
Ορίστε.
Εδώ παίρνω το δίπλο, δηλαδή όταν τελειώσω το πανεπιστήμιο.
Ναι, στη μεγάλη αίθουσα.
Οκ, πάνω εκεί. Και το δίπλο εδώ διευθυντήριο τι είναι?
Είναι η Ακαδημία Αθηνών. Νομίζω πρέπει ένα κομμάτι της Ακαδημίας να είναι επισκέψιμο. Απλά τώρα επειδή είναι Σάββατο, δύσκολα να...
Δύσκολα, οκ. Θα ξαναγυρίσω. Okay. Ευχαριστώ.
Να είστε καλά.
So basically what he said was right. This is the place where people receive their diploma of finishing the university. The bachelor's, master degrees, doctorate degrees. And the good thing about Greece, education is for free. It's still for free. This metro station called Panepistimiou, which translates to university. That's why the station is called university, because of this building. That other building has to do also with education, but he wasn't sure what exactly is going on there. And because it's Saturday today, it's closed. So I'll need to come back in another day. This is the third building, which has those beautiful stairs, but I'm not sure if it's possible to even get up there. I believe that also has to do with education. It says there myth, but it's not. I cannot see the whole sentence because it's not clear from here. They'll come back here on a normal day of the week, not the weekend. They can ask for more information. This is our bagels. You can see. There is normal bagel with cheese and with sugar, sweet one. We usually buy the normal one for 60 cents. Those are the classic Greek tiropites, it's called. That's what you eat in the morning. It's basically a cheese pie. It's not a pie, but it's like it's called tiropita. I'll leave a link in the description. It's made from phyllo dough. those are the 3 buildings we visited today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel